Most people get this wrong. They think Snap Pay Advance is just another payday loan app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it's designed to give fast access to earned wages with clear upfront fees and helpful budgeting features if you use it responsibly. Here's how it works. Snap Pay Advance allows you to withdraw a portion of your earned income before payday, often within hours. Instead of high interest rates like traditional payday loans, it charges a simple flat fee per advance. The app also includes repayment reminders, spending alerts, and optional budgeting tools to help manage short-term cash flow effectively. The catch: overusing Snap Pay Advance can become costly. Many users underestimate how quickly small fees add up when advances are repeated. Treating it as a regular income source instead of a short-term convenience can lead to financial strain. Tips for smart use: 1. Only advance what you truly need and can repay on your next payday. 2. Set up alerts to avoid missed repayments and extra fees. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the app. Who should consider Snap Pay Advance? It's best for people with steady income who occasionally need fast cash to cover unexpected expenses. If your income is irregular or you struggle with repayment discipline, it might cost more than it helps. In conclusion, Snap Pay Advance in 2026 is a practical tool for bridging short-term cash gaps, but only if used wisely. Treat it as a convenience, not a regular paycheck. Monitor fees, and stick to repayment plans. Subscribe for more reviews and tips to manage your money smarter.